Something pretty special coming.
We have a work train here, guys.
A work train.
Clear Watersville with a MAC Rebuild leader.
Yep, CSX 4528. You just heard 4528 east on the main, Clear Watersville. This is W047.
W047, guys.
It's a
We're here
train.
at.
I don't know what is on it. It might be a rail train. It might be a mow equipment train.
Milepost 34.21 here on the Old Main.
Who knows? But yeah.
This is Woodbine Rd, Main Street here pretty much. And it's about, I don't know, 11 o'clock at night. Predicted this would get here by 11:05. It's 11:02 p.m. So it's right on the money here. And this will be a pretty good shot for you guys, I hope. Don't know it's rare, but I'm sure there's going to be something rare on it besides the leader, which usually we do not have EMD leaders on the Old Main line, especially not MAC leaders. So this will be interesting.
I don't know where you're gonna take.
I'm gonna pause this one for now, here with the Old Main guy as usual. And you know, I might not pause it because it sounds like it's flying.
Yeah.
And you'll see down there in the distance,
We can hear the
red lights will start flashing, and that'll be Newport Crossing.
Exactly.
I typically do not come to this crossing during the day because it's the main road. It's way too busy. But at night, there's good lighting. So it has that going for it.
Light is in the area so much. But yeah, wow, I can't believe we're already hearing this train from the distance. Yeah, this must, I mean, I think it's going really fast.
Yeah.
It's probably not a very long train. Work trains are typically well under 100 kilometers. But,
Yeah. I'm excited for this train for the most part
so am I.
because any kind of a work train usually has maintenance away equipment slash,
It could have fallen
you know,
flags.
all of the mow cars are,
It could even have a caboose. That's doubtful, but I don't know. A few weeks ago, or last week actually, I think it's here now.
yeah, all the
actually
maintenance away
had
cars usually have
caboose
fallen
on the
flags.
rail train W024. We didn't catch that, but
So
yeah,
just,
this is W047. SD70MAC Rebuild leader, 4528. It was actually stuck on the coal trains like a few weeks ago. So that's pretty cool. And now it's on this rail train. Or work train, whatever it is. We don't know. So,
this train is supposed to be bound for Philadelphia, by the way. Oh, I'm seeing light down there. I see some
the
light.
train's going to Philadelphia. So yeah, here it is. W047.
There go the crossings, red flashing lights. Yeah, this will be K5LA, non-raised letter. There go the crossings here. These guys provide a good amount of additional light. Can't really do my special zoom out because of a thing, but oh my gosh, yep, that's a Mac. Tell by the center headlights up top.
Yep.
Maintenance away equipment, guys. Seaboard, New York Central, New York Central. More maintenance away. Let's see, these are all CSX for the most part. CSX, 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 CSX. New York Central. CSX, CSX, CSX. Seaboard. That was it. Yeah, that train was moving.
W047.
Yeah, there was a couple good old Seaboard cars, a couple New York Central, and a whole bunch of really cool equipment.
That's what it was. So yep, there's
And,
W047, guys. Very short train. So yeah, had a MAC leader. You can hear it honk at Morgan.
Yep.
It had a few New York Centrals, about at least 3 of them. One of them was on the maintenance of way flatbeds, and then there was a few gondola, and I think there was also a Seaboard gondola. So, this is the Old Main guy signing off here from Woodbine, Maryland.
Now, I don't know about you, Old Main guy, but I think it's time we go to McDonald's. We're not sponsored in any way, but I think it's time to go to McDonald's. Maybe get you a Big Mac, and, you know, I'll see. I probably will get myself, they have this new creation that I'm anxious to try. It's a caramel brownie McFlurry. I'll get that, maybe some fries, you know. Nice little celebration for catching a Mac leader. Probably time to get a Big Mac. So, have a beautiful night, everyone. Here we are from Woodbine Crossing. Adios, and I'll catch you next time. Leave those tracks nicer than you found them, and stay safe out there.